Welcome to the presentation on Asteroidea, commonly known as sea stars. Asteroidea is a diverse and captivating group of marine invertebrates found in ocean worldwide. In this presentation, we will explore their characteristic, habitat, behavior, and ecological significance. Asteroidea belongs to the phylum Echinodermata, which also includes sea urchins, sea cucumbers, and brittle stars. There are over 2,000 known species of sea stars varying in size, color, and shape. They can be found in wide range of marine habitats from shallow tidal pools to deep sea trenches. Sea stars have a unique radial symmetry with multiple arms radiating from a central disc-shaped body. Their arms, also called rays, are typically covered with spines or tube feet, which aid in movement and capturing prey. The body of sea stars consists of a tongue outer skin known as the epidermis and hard and endoskeleton made of calcium carbonate plates. Asteroidea or sea stars are fascinating creatures with unique adaptation and ecological significance. Their diverse form and behavior continue to captivate scientists and nature enthusiasts alike